Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since Halloween is just around the corner, in today's video I'll be showing you spooky pumpkin face nail design. But before I begin, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and also hit on the bell icon. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start the nail design by applying a good layer of the base coat. Once the base coat dries, I'm gonna apply orange nail polish as my base color. Once the polish dries, I'm gonna take black nail polish and a small liner brush. I'm gonna dip the liner brush into the black polish and make two small triangles as shown. Then I will fill in the triangles with black nail polish using the same liner brush. Then using the same liner brush, I'm going to make another triangle but a smaller one below the previous two like so. Next, I'm going to make a sleek curve using the same brush. And then make tiny vertical lines over the curve as shown. And that's how the design is gonna look. Next, I'm going to repeat the design on all the other nails. For the final step, I'm going to set the design by applying a glossy top coat. And there you go, the eerie and spooky Halloween nail design is ready. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed the nail design. If you liked the video, hit on the thumbs up button. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time with more such videos. Until then, bye.